So I am here where I took some other pictures before, like the chair ones and the double exposure ones. I think that's it. For this topic, glitter, I don't know. I thought of doing like a slick back hair and then just like putting glitter all over here, but I don't know, I feel like that's so messy. And I look, I don't want to go all out just for glitter because it's gonna be a mess, and I don't know, that's not for me right now. So I have these glitters that I used for my graduation cap like 4 years ago. They're like crafting glitter, which I don't think should be very close to my eyes. And then I have this one that's gold, that's a bit more bigger, and then this like white one, iridescent glitter. So I don't want to commit into putting like lash glue and for it to be like on my face for a long time. I had brought the purple glue that I used to like, make my eyebrows disappear. But for this one, I think I'm just gonna use Vaseline because it'll help the glitter stick and it's not gonna be too messy to clean up. So yeah. Hi, I didn't do an introduction. For today, we will be doing this glitter look. All I put on my face was this Superstay powdered foundation and the Milk mascara that I just reviewed. I had it here already, so I didn't want to take out more makeup stuff. So my vision for this is to maybe here on this outer section, like maybe this where the sun is hitting, you see that? This section, maybe a little bit on my eyebrows, like just to cover it up a little bit. And, just here and there. But yeah, but if I don't like how it's turning out, I'm just gonna take it off and then do glitter eyebrows. Yeah, that's all I got so far. So let's get started because I do want to catch the sun hitting the glitter. I think for right now, I'm just gonna try this iridescent glitter. I should have brought somewhere to put it. Okay, I have this lid here just randomly on the floor. I'm gonna put some glitter here, but first I'm gonna put Vaseline on the areas that I want the glitter to be at. I should have put the glitter first on this thing so I won't have to keep doing it later with glitter everywhere. So it's this iridescent one. I'm scared. That was a lot. It looks like something else. Look, I'm being very careful because I don't want this glitter in my eye. Moment of truth. I'm gonna pick it up with the same Vaseline one that I have. No, it's not iridescent at all. I can't see. So, I don't know if I should add. Let me just continue with this. I can't see doodle. So I'm gonna add this gold one because I feel like I've already used too much green and blue in my pictures. So I'm gonna add something different to the color palette or whatever. Okay, let's see. Okay. Please be careful if you're gonna do this because glitter in your eye, it could literally cut your eye and then you'll go blind. I'm doing this very carefully. want to get some in my eyebrow, but it's not getting in there. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Parezco un churro. The clear one looks like sugar and the gold just looks like canela. Oh, that's so funny. Okay. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. I don't know if you can tell because I'm gonna probably open that window a little bit better. But that's what I have so far. Thing is, should I put some on my lips? Okay, that's so much better. But I don't know if the audio is gonna pick up the cars from outside. Okay, I thought about it. I'm gonna put some on my lips, but mainly gold. I don't know how this is gonna look like. Let's find out together. I'm still using the Vaseline. I kind of don't care that it's not like linear because it's glitter, you know? Okay. This much is left. I'm gonna do something crazy that I don't think I should be doing, but I'm gonna do it, and it's just putting it in my hair. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever to take out in the shower. Parece que tengo caspa. Okay, don't laugh, don't laugh. There's cars passing by and neighbors leaving their house, and I know they can see me. I made a mess. It's a mess. I got glitter all over my hair, my clothes, and then I ended up putting a little bit on my chest because I put my hands, you know. Yeah, I mean, I think I ate some too. It's fine. I mean, I don't do this always. Sometimes you just gotta get out of your comfort zone to, you know, feel like you lived a little. And now, just sitting here at the ledge, look at the pretty color that the sun is giving. Yeah, that was the journey of this thing. It wasn't really makeup, but it was something on your face for like some photos that you might want to take. I was gonna try and do like something from Euphoria, but I haven't seen the show and I don't know. I'll watch the show and then I'll try and make a look because I really don't like doing looks that I don't know the things about. Does that make sense? I want to know what the premises of certain makeup is before I actually do it. So yeah, I did want to do something like that, but and then there's this other one where you blow the glitter or like the stuff into the camera, but that was a little too much. That I would have done that if I was outside, but I was on my ledge, so yeah. Okay, that's it for me. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Oh my god, there's glitter on this thing too.